I got 2 boxes to unbox today, so let's do that. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. If you're not, hi, my name is Veronika or Veronika mit K, which is Veronika with a K, and that is my name. That's how it's spelled, and it's spelled that way because I'm originally from Germany. I'm a part-time reseller in Virginia, and I sell primarily on the platforms Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari sometimes. And today I have a super exciting collab video for you guys. And if you're coming over from either Dolla Docta Jennifer's video or Glammaz video, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me on my little unboxing video today. So let me explain what we're doing today. We're gonna unbox 2 boxes, 2 fun boxes, but they're not from thredUP because it's impossible to get a fun box from thredUP. So Glamma, who you all know as Glammaz Closet on YouTube, Dayna, and if you don't know her, you should. She's hilarious and you should watch her videos. And Jennifer, aka Dolla Docta Jennifer, who's also on YouTube and also hilarious. The 3 of us, we came up with this idea that we should just pack our own fun boxes and send them to each other and have a little thrift swap / fun box unboxing collab video situation going on. So I'm really grateful to the 2 of them for being so patient with me because we have had this planned for a while, but I had to wrap up my semester and grading just to have a little bit of, space in my life to go to the bins and actually source for this collab so that I would be able to send both of them a box with kind of personalized-ish items, as much as possible because you get what you get at the bins or at the thrift store, and they did the same thing. And so USPS put another wrench into our plans. It took forever for Glammaz box to get here, but I got them both. I got my box from Jennifer, I just sliced it open, and I got my box from Glamma, sliced that open too, so I can unbox these babies with you guys. Sorry also for my hollow mannequins over here. It's like the walls are closing in on me in my posh room because I have so much inventory and so much other crap, and this is like the only space I have to film. Anyway, let's dig into these boxes. So the idea was that we would send each other items for personal use, but if something doesn't fit or if we didn't like it, we can also resell them. So no hard feelings about any of that. And let me tell you, it is hard shopping for other people. I feel like it's hard sourcing from my own closet sometimes and shopping for myself, but then going to the bins and going to the thrift store and shop for other people, keeping their sizes in mind, their preferences, their favorite colors, I struggled. I really struggled, and I hope that the items I cut for them will bring them some joy, and even if they don't bring them joy, that they'll be able to resell them and get some money out of those. So, long story short, we're gonna unbox these boxes. I figured what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 1 item from each box and just kind of alternate, and I will tell you which box the item came from. I'm looking at Jennifer's box, and she put a little card in here that I'm going to read real quick. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. If you order from Jennifer, maybe you'll get a card like that. Maybe you don't. I don't know. Oh, this is a long card. So Jennifer sent me a really nice card. It's a lot of writing on here, so I'm not going to read the whole thing, but it's very nice and very heartfelt. And yes, Jennifer, I hope you'll be able to come visit so we can go thrifting together. So we all are in different areas of the United States. Ooh, I see tie-dye. Jennifer is in North Carolina, and Glamma / Dayna is in Missouri. Okay, so from Jennifer's box, first thing I see is tie-dye, which is very on brand, I feel like, with Jennifer. So it's a tie-dye shirt that, it says be kind. I love it. I absolutely love it. I never really jumped on the tie-dye trend as much in terms of, wearing it for myself, but I've done some tie-dye for my closet, and, knowing that this comes from Jennifer, I absolutely love this. I don't know if she did it herself. If she did an excellent job with that. But either way, that will definitely be worn by me in a future video and, all the time, aside from that. Okay, so that's our first item from Jennifer. Let's see what Glamma got us. Okay, first thing I see, and I feel like this is like one item that contains multiple items. Okay, it's a bag that says, pardon my French, and oh gosh, Glamma, how do you know me so well after such a short amount of time? So it is a little tote bag, very nice for, if you know, for days when you only have 1 or 2 orders to ship out, they will fit in here. And then there's more stuff in here. Ooh, instant teacher, just add coffee. Oh man, I'm trying to get out of the teacher game, but I love it. You know, those of you who know me, I'll still be teaching. I'll still be doing German pronunciation videos and such, so don't you worry. Oh, this is cute. It's a Betsy Johnson makeup pouch, and there's stuff in here. Oh my god, it never ends. This is like an amazing bag. Ooh, it's all kinds of makeup stuff. We got some fake lashes, which I don't really use, but I'll try anything once. Oh, they're magnetic. Cool. We got, what is this? Foundation stick. So we'll see if it's my color. If not, I'm sure I can resell that. We got a little milk makeup. Oh, Glamma. Is this from your Jomar box? This is from your Jomar box, isn't it? I'm not mad at it. I love little cosmetic samples. We got a dream cream. We got Lash Alert mascara, and we got my child crying for me, and mascara melt off. Okay, so that's what's in here. I'm gonna be right back and give my child a hug, and you're gonna see me again in 2 seconds. Uh-oh, what do we have here? We're taking another shirt out of Jennifer's box, Dolla Docta Jennifer, or as Glamma would say,
Dolla Docta General.
Dolla Docta General. I'm so sorry, Glamma. It's so funny. Anyway, it's a teacher shirt with an apple. So as you can see, I'm getting all the teacher stuff. Everyone knows, and legends are told, that teaching is for the brave. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And I'm not feeling brave anymore, so I'm trying to get out of teaching. I love teaching, but I'm just ready to get out of academia. So those of you who are not new to my channel, you may have heard me talk about that. I'll probably talk about it more at some other time. Okay, what is this? This is a little, okay. Glamma has like multiple things in one bag, so it's like I'm pulling out one thing and then it turns into 15. I thought I was done cutting things open, but nope. Glamma's box had other plans. Okay, this is probably something breakable because there's lots and lots of bubble wrap, which, thank you for that, Glamma. I will take that. Ooh, it's a mug. I can't believe how much I'm not sick of you. I love it. Look at this. It's from some e-cards. Love it. And there's more stuff in here too. Hand sanitizer. Glamma. Glamma always thinking of her glam babies and adopted glam babies, adopted glam children. I don't know where I fall on that, but Glamma can adopt me any day. Okay, so I'm just pulling out 2 things out of Jennifer's box. We got an eye mask. Oh, you know, I need this in my life. Yes. Relieves and reduces puffiness. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. I will absolutely use that. And then we got a little, oh, nice. You know, I'm a teacher and I just love stationary things and such. So we got sticky notes, and this is perfect because I just ran out of my sticky note block for doing my shopping lists. I'm old school. I do them on paper. So this is perfect. Thank you so much, Jennifer. And it's so cute. It's like a little clutch. Aw. Okay. Oh yeah, we're continuing with Glamma. Glamma also sent me air pouches, so thank you, Glamma, for that. I see something that says Foxy, so I want to see that next. Oh my god, there is so much in here. I feel like I didn't send nearly as much, so now I feel bad, but maybe I did. Okay, let's look at the Foxy shirt. I love this. I love it, I love it, I love it. It says Foxy. It's a Secret Treasures pajama top, and oh my god, I'm gonna wear this. Probably not gonna wear this to sleep. I'm gonna wear this, you know, in like regular lounge at home life. Okay, we're gonna look at the other thing too that's in here. All right, and that's how I maintain justice. Wait, who's that? Is that Ruth Bader Ginsburg? Oh my god, I love it. Oh, Glamma, you're the best. RBG in the house. May her memory be a blessing. I love it. I love it. I love it. Graphic tee. I'm not following my own one item at a time rule anymore. So let's just pull out whatever I see. Okay, we got some socks from Jennifer's box. That rhymed. Always appreciate some socks, and I definitely appreciate some slippers. Hello. Love these. They're nice and warm and fuzzy, so they're probably gonna wait for fall or winter to wear those, but love them. Okay, oh yeah, other box. Okay, we got some track pants. Oh, of course. There's some Adidas sweatpants because I've been teaching everybody how to say Adidas. So now I have some Adidas track pants. Thank you, Glamma. I appreciate that. I was just thinking I need some like sweatpants, lounge pants, track pants in my life. We're back in Jennifer's box. Okay, I think she kind of showed a little bit of this in one of her videos, and then she was like, I can't show this because it's for Veronika, and I was trying to see what it is, and I saw something with kids on there. This is the perfect shirt for me. Again, the teacher vibes and the grammar police and pronunciation vibes. Let's eat kids. Let's eat kids. Punctuation saves lives. I love it. Jennifer, this is amazing. I love this so much. Oh my god, I feel like my items are not nearly as good as the ones that I send that I'm getting from Glamma and Jennifer. So if you're watching their videos after mine, I apologize in advance for the crap I sent them. So I'm just gonna blame it on my bins. My bins suck. That's all I'm gonna say. My bins suck. What else we got? We got something more from Glamma. Man, they're spoiling me. Holy moly. We got something very glamorous. Drinks. Oh, drinks well with others. A glittery shirt. This is so glamour. Like, if I had found something like this at the bins, which I kind of did, I would have sent this to Glamma. So that works very well. Ooh, she sent me some pajama pants. This is funny because, spoiler alert, I sent her some too. So I see we're on the same wavelength here. All right. Ooh, fuzzy sweater from Jennifer. Okay, brand is green tea. I don't know if brands are important for this kind of unboxing. I have not been showing you guys brands, but I feel like this is just for the fun of it. So, little fuzzy, not fuzzy, what is this called? This has a name and I should know it, but I forgot. But hooded sweater, oversized. I'm gonna love this in the winter. Love it so much. Okay, we have a few more things in each box, so let's see. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. We should be doing this all the time. All right. Ooh, this is fancy. Fancy schmancy. Oh, this is a good teacher / work on Zoom call top. So it's an Annette Lepore and it has lace and stuff all over, like crochet lace. This is really cute. Thank you, Glamma. You shouldn't have. I love it, but you shouldn't have. Hope it fits. It's my size, so hopefully that fits. You're gonna see me wear all of these in future videos, just so you know. Okay, Jennifer's box. We got a scarf. It's not Burberry. If she sent me a Burberry scarf, I would lose my mind. I would totally resell that. It is cashmere though. Wait, it's not. It's cashmink. What is cashmink? 100% acrylic. It feels nice and soft though. I do like this. This is cute. And then let's see. Okay, one more item in here, one more item in here. Cool. So let's do that. All right, what is this? Is this a robe or a kimono? I know I'm not showing you. I'm just trying to figure out what it is first. It is some sort of robe, kimono. Looks like it's very oversized, but that's good for this kind of stuff. You can just lounge and, you know, like be the lady of the house in your fancy shimmery kimono / robe. Like it, because my own robe is like fuzzy and not very appropriate for these warmer temperatures. Okay, last thing in, what is this? What is this? Last thing in Jennifer's box. I don't know what this is. Is this an apron? Jennifer, what you trying to tell me? It's an apron, but it's this cool like patchwork thing. That is pretty cool. Jennifer, I hope you know that I don't really like do the housewifey things, but... And this is like too pretty to wear in the kitchen. Come on now. It's basically it's a picnic blanket. Gone apron. A quilt. An apron quilt. A quilt apron. A quiltrin. A quilprin. But I love it though. This is very unique. I've never seen anything like that as an apron. So that is pretty cool. I'm surrounded by packaging material and these blessings, these gifts that I've received from my two buddies here, from Glamma and from Jennifer, and I love everything. This was so much fun. I want to do this all the time now. Oh my god, this was so amazing. It's like, it's so funny how people who you've never met know you so well. You know, it's a little bit scary, but also great. Thank you so much, Glamma and Jennifer. I'm still laughing about these shirts. Thank you so much, Jennifer, and thank you so much, Glamma, for collaborating with me. This was amazing. Let's do it again. And next time I'll do more sourcing so I can find, you know, stuff that's just as amazing for you too, because I feel like I just fell short with the items that I've found. But I love this. This was so much fun. Oh, and before I forget, I have to give a shout out to my thrifted item that I'm wearing. It's just a little, what's the brand? Zoe and Liv shirt with avocados all over, because who doesn't love a good avocado in different shapes and forms, like guacamole and such. Anyway, quick shout out for that. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy Jennifer's and Glamma's slash Dayna's. I never call Glamma by her real name, so she's just Glamma. I hope you enjoyed Jennifer's and Glamma's videos as well. If you're not subscribed to them, definitely make sure to do that. I will link both their channels and their videos and all of that good stuff in the description down below, their Instagram, their Poshmark closets. Do some shopping, support your fellow resellers and your creators here on YouTube. If you want to support me, hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed already to see more fun videos like this one. Maybe not quite as fun because this was pretty amazing. At least I had fun. I don't know about you guys. If you want to buy me a coffee, I have a link for that in the description as well. So your girl runs on coffee. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna put some playlists and videos up here, somewhere over here. I think here. I think this is where they go, right? Playlist, video, maybe. We'll figure it out. But I'm gonna put a playlist over there with some other collab videos that I've done in the past, and then also a video up there that you might enjoy after this. And yeah, see you guys soon. Bye.